What up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a preacher curl. Now I'm doing this with an easy bar. The reason is because basically my barbell is so long it gets in the way in the whole fucking room, so I just use an easy bar curl because it's, you know, it's not as long, so it's easier to perform when you're doing these preacher curls. So to get into position you have to have equipment. You know, for this exercise you need to have an equipment. If you don't have a bench with such a platform that I'm resting my hands on, then it's better if you switch to an alternative bicep exercise. Now preacher curls, really great exercise. So to get into position, sit on the bench, rest your elbows and your triceps on the platform. Grab the bar. Starting position is fully extended arms and curl up. You know, the key thing is to really stick to that seating position. Don't move, don't wiggle your body, don't, you know, move back and forth to help with the weight. Your body stays in place. The only thing that moves is basically your arms curling up the weight. So then inhale, you know, squeeze your core, squeeze everything together so you stay in that seated position. And curl the weight up. Curl the weight up slowly at the top of the movement. Pause for a second and squeeze your biceps. Then go down slowly, not moving your elbows, not moving your body, just going down slowly, and extend all the way till your arms are straight. Don't over exaggerate that because then you're gonna, you know, because your body's gonna move forward. Just till your arms are relatively straight and repeat. So to get into position, rest your triceps and elbows on the platform, extend all the way, inhale, squeeze your core and curl up at the top, squeeze your biceps. Keep a little bit of the tension in the biceps and go down slowly. Extending all the way, you see arms straight. And go back up. Bam. Squeezing, a little bit of pause at the top of the movement. Back down slowly. Extend all the way. And going back up. Bam, squeezing the biceps because you want to keep tension in the biceps at the top. You know, that's going to engage more muscle fibers, which means more muscle growth. This is a really great alternative exercise to the regular, you know, barbell curl, to the standing barbell curl. But, you know, the bad thing is that you need a platform like this, so you need some equipment. If you don't go to regular gym, if you have a home gym, you need this equipment. If you don't, you know, just switch to another bicep exercise. There's a ton of them and a lot of them are great, you know, but if you have some kind of platform, maybe you can do something yourself, you know, build something, put something together, you know, and you can perform this great bicep exercise. Now this is not my favorite exercise. It's a good one, but it's not my absolute favorite. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.